So what has been your biggest challenge working with founders in terms of implementing your ideas?
I think it's the ability to influence the person across the table. Now, in our case, it's the founder. They will figure things out if you give them enough information. But how do you give it to them? Like, if you ask me the question between how are there so many teams, which one is the best? And I would say the team that actually is able to influence founders the most. And that is the most trickiest part. For that to happen, you need to be really deep in your space, right? You need to have gone through, you need to have thought through solutions, why it happened. If you operate as a recruiting firm only, if you just operate as I get this mandate and I close this mandate and I move on, then you've not learned anything because of the time that's spent. But if you're able to look back and say, okay, this is how we thought of this business and relatability to the talent. What went wrong when we spoke to the people in the market? What went right? Is there a learning out of it? Can I use it in my next conversation with the founder? You'll be able to influence the founder far better through experiences.